As an educator, my job is to inspire young minds. However, with the help of ASA's Solve Together competition, I was the one who was inspired by my students.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to this year's ASA Solve Together contest.
The Galactic girls, as they wanted to be known, were students that had known one another since first grade. Now, 6 years later, in 7th grade, they came together to compete and win the first annual ASA Solve Together competition. In doing so, they afforded their school, Plouffe Academy, the sum of $10,000. Words like discover, explore, imagine, and create. These are the 4 pillars that ASA presented as the steps to finish the project. The team approached every challenge like a team that worked as one, with only one goal in mind: to win. The areas that ASA is looking for is the team's ability to collaborate, use critical thinking, communication within the group, and lastly, creativity. I had a feeling that the Galactic girls had a chance at finishing in the top 10. Their perseverance, hard work, dedication, commitment to tasks, and positive attitude was evident from day one. This team of young scientists had only gotten started. You'll hear from the Galactic girls again. They plan to mentor the next group of participants in ASA's Solve Together competition. Together, we can accomplish anything.
Hi, I'm Isabella.
Hi, I'm Eliana.
Hi, I'm Gabriella.
Hi, I'm Abigail.
Hi, I'm Genesis.
And we are the Galactic Girls.
I think my favorite part of the project, when we started to get the project in place, when we started the PowerPoint and all the slides, I think that was my favorite part because we got to all work together and put our minds together, and we got to share different ideas and just create that bond that we didn't have before.
Well, this all got started when we did a 7th grade science class about Mars, and it really interested us, and we wanted to just further do our research, and we just wanted to learn so much more about it because it made us so interested, and we were so excited about living on other planets just because it's so fascinating. So when we saw that this was a challenge, we just wanted to do it because we thought it was really interesting, and we're really glad that we picked it because now we want to be astrobiologists and scientists. We want to work in NASA, and we're really excited for the future ahead of us because it's going to be really cool.
When I first joined, I thought that I wouldn't be so good at the project because I'm not really good at talking to people and communicating that much. But over time, when we had more meetings, I felt better about speaking with them and sharing my ideas.
When we found out that we won, we had a reaction when they announced second place because we knew that we were the only ones left, and we knew that we were first place. We all started crying and laughing.
We got a lot of support through our families and friends, and they all attended the ceremony, which was on Zoom because of COVID and all the guidelines, but it was really cool. I got to see a lot of my family members log onto the Zoom, and it was just really cool and really just warming that I knew that they were so excited for me and that they support me so much, and they're so proud of each and every one of us.
I agree, but the one that supported me most was my mom, because every idea that I had, I would go straight to her so I can get her opinion on it and see if it's like another opinion from somebody else other than
To try to listen to everyone and make sure to put all your ideas in, because even though you think it's dumb or you wouldn't use it, you can still use it even if you don't, because some ideas can spark
Say
new ideas.
choose people that have a different way of thinking so they can bring different ideas to the table and really give you a different perspective.
When Dr. Mack first introduced the challenge, I was super excited because I knew that this was like a huge opportunity for our school, and I was just really excited because the prize was obviously huge, and I was just really excited to think that we could like earn that amount of money for our school. I felt empowered because I was so confident that I could support my school just by using my knowledge of science. And I was super excited that that was the project because I knew that with my knowledge of science that I could do so much, and I could do so much for NASA, and I could do so much for my future. And I'm just really happy that this contest was a thing because I was able to support my school. I definitely love just having fun with my friends, and we got to go take a field trip to the Science Museum in Boston, and that was really cool because not only were we learning, but we were also just having fun. It's really all about finding what you want to do for your future and discovering some new topics that you might have never researched, or just finding out some new stuff about what our problems are on Earth, or like climate change, Mars, and any of the topics that ASA choose to challenge us for.
I think it's really good with growing teamwork and like getting close to people that you probably didn't think you'd be able to get close to, and a really good project for researching and just learning things that you've never learned before.
It really makes you work on communication and listening to other people's ideas.
Yeah, it was really cool because I got to edit the video, and just seeing it all, like watching it all again, I was just thinking about how much I was like so grateful for like the competition and stuff, because you wouldn't really get that opportunity without like the contest. And so I was really happy that we even thought of the interview and that we got the opportunity to do it, because I think that it was really life-changing, and it's something that we won't forget because it was really special.
At the beginning, I think everybody was like really nervous. Then we started getting used to it, and like actually it was very informative.